Need to dig deeper than the main dashboard? Shopify's detailed reports show you exactly what's driving your revenue. I'll show you where to look. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The main dashboard is a summary, but the reports section has the full story. Go to Analytics, Reports. Here, you'll find pre-built reports for sales, customers, and marketing. To track sales, open the Sales Reports. The Sales by Product report is a goldmine. It shows you exactly which items are generating the most money. You can also see Sales by Discount to see which promotions are actually profitable, and Sales by Traffic Referrer to see which marketing channel brings in the most revenue. A crucial pro tip: look at total sales and net sales separately. Net sales subtracts refunds and discounts, giving you a much clearer picture of the money you actually get to keep. And just like that, you can identify your most profitable products and channels. Tracking sales in reports helps you stop guessing and start scaling what works. What's the most surprising trend you found in your sales reports? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to export your Shopify sales report. Thanks for watching.